Most supercars start as a design sketch. This one started on a racetrack at the Nürburgring. This is the Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus SCG-3, and if you've never heard of it, that's kind of the point. Jim Glickenhaus isn't building cars to flood showrooms. He built this to race, and then, almost as an afterthought, made it street legal. The road version, the 003S, runs a BMW-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 tuned to around 800 horsepower, in a body that weighs just over 2,800 pounds. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. Top speed, 217 miles per hour. And because it generates over 700 kilograms of downforce at 155 miles per hour, it corners like it's bolted to the road. The racing version, the 003C, ran the 24 hours. Nürburgring, one of the most punishing endurance races on the planet. The same chassis underneath both cars. Same bones. It was designed in Turin, assembled in Italy, and approved for US roads in 2017. Only a handful were ever built. The last road-legal one sold for $2.5 million. This isn't Ferrari money buying Ferrari heritage. This is one guy, one team, and a genuine obsession with endurance racing, turned into something you can technically drive to work. The SCG-003, brutally rare, completely uncompromising,